Hey, welcome back to our channel Ship and Cruise Life. So today this video is about how you can become a marine engineer or career in a merchant navy as a marine engineer. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel for more updates. Stay tuned and watch till end. So let's start the video. What are marine engineering jobs in merchant navy? Marine engineering jobs involve running and maintenance of all ships machinery, running and maintenance of main engine, diesel generator, boiler, air compressors, various pumps, anti-pollution equipments, fire and safety equipments, extra comes under marine engineering job. How many type of courses are available to become a marine engineer in merchant navy? There are 4 types of courses to become a marine engineer. 4-year degree course in marine engineering after 12th, and second, 1-year pre-C course in marine engineering after BE mechanical, and 2-year pre-C training for diploma holders, 2.5-year pre-C training for marine engineer under alternate training scheme after 12th. Now I will explain one by one. First, 4-year pre-C marine engineering degree course minimum academic qualification. Pass in 12th for equivalent examination with PCM and English as a separate subject with a PCM. Average of not less than 60%. Or candidate can join second year of 4-year marine engineering degree course provided, or he has passed first year training from a alternative training scheme approved by Director General of Shipping, Government of India, or he has passed first year from the engineering college in other stream like mechanical, electrical provided by AICTE with minimum 60% average marks, or he has passed 3-year diploma course in mechanical, marine, electrical and electronics from the college of approved by AICTE or State Board of Technical Education with minimum 55% of aggregate marks in the last year of diploma course. The candidate should have obtained with minimum of 50% mark in English language at 10th, 12th standard or in the degree. Diploma courses conducted by recognized board or any university. Maximum age limit 25 years. Physical and medical standards. Medically fit as per the standards set by the Marine Shipping Medical Examination Rule and eyesight 6/6 in each eye without visual aids. First year pre-C training for mechanical engineering graduates. Minimum academic qualification. Graduate in BE mechanical engineering. Naval architect with minimum mark of 50% in final year and with minimum 50% mark in English language at 10th and 12th or in degree exam. Maximum age limit is 28 years. How to join 2-year pre-C training to become a marine engineer for diploma holders. Minimum academic qualification. Pass diploma in mechanical, marine, naval architect, electrical and electronics engineering with minimum marks 50% in final year and with minimum of 50% mark in English language at 10th, 12th standard or diploma exam. And the second, pass diploma in shipbuilding engineering with minimum marks of 50% in final year, 4-year course and with minimum of 50% marks in English language 10th, 12th standard or a diploma exam. Maximum age limit 28 years. Next, how to join 2.5-year pre-C training in marine engineering under ATS. Minimum academic qualification. Pass in 12th for equivalent examination with PCM and English as separate subject with a PCM average of not less than 60% and with minimum 50% marks in English language as 10th and 12th standard. English should have passed with not less than 60% marks in English as a separate subject at either 10th, 12th standard or in a degree program conducted by a recognized board or university. And maximum age limit is 25 years. Okay, at last, selection by the shipping companies. During final year of your course, shipping companies conduct a campus selection, and if you do not get selected, then you have to apply directly to the individual shipping companies after obtaining degree. That's it for today. I'll make next video on GP rating. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.